7 years ago, I suffered 2 massive strokes at the same time. It took out my entire left side. The second stroke took out the vision in my right eye, and it's been a journey of perseverance to keep improving. And I'm the most improved patient my neurologist has ever had in his entire career. I was recommended to try STEMREGEN. I've got lots of different supplements that I've taken along the way, but STEMREGEN has had the most marked improvement in my overall health and well-being that I've had of anything I've ever tried. It's just phenomenal. There's lots of things that it has done, but mostly I continue to improve at an accelerated rate compared to my improvement over the previous 6 years before I was taking STEMREGEN. So this is improvement in my balance, in my general health, in my healing, and right now my blood panel looks like a 45-year-old. But the STEMREGEN seems to have improved more things in more ways than anything I've ever taken before as any kind of a supplement. And my improvements, especially since starting taking STEMREGEN, have been remarkable in my walking gait, in my balance, in my coordination, in my feeling. The most outstanding improvement has been measured by my neurologist. He calls me his most improved patient in his entire career. Usually he's dealing with people that are on the decline, and I am still improving. And my improvement has been greater in the last year, measurably, than it has been in the previous 6 years. And my cognizance test that I took 2 years ago, I've improved in my cognizance testing over the last couple of years. So I'm measurably thinking better and rationalizing better. The price was definitely a factor, but my health is the most important factor. And when you balance your health against the price for the improvement it's made in my life, in my well-being, STEMREGEN is a tremendous value. I've recommended STEMREGEN other stroke victims or just other people who've had other difficulties. But for me, I'm sharing my story with as many people as I can because it's such a dramatic improvement. I'm getting stronger, I'm getting better, I seem to be getting younger. Aloha, my name is Gunnar Mench, and I live in Kamuela, Hawaii.